After everything that had happened lately, I needed a nice quiet night like this. Well, welcome back. Those of you who are just joining for the first time, I'm Steve. This is my 1991 Vanagon Synchro. It is Westy, and we are camping out on the beach. I have the beast running again. That was 10 days of beating my head against the wall, and all I had was a dead coil, apparently. So I got that fixed. Put the new coil in, fired right up. So I chased wiring and everything for days looking for what the issue was, but I am at the beach. And as you can see, the snow's gone. Well, most of it. And as soon as I pulled down onto the beach, there was a little pickup stuck, and I pulled him out. He was luckily he wasn't really buried. He was close, but he didn't get too stuck. So he had a tow strap, so I went ahead and just tied him off and just gave him a little snug and pulled him right out. But it's raining. Yay. I've been working at the shop, and this was the first opportunity I've had to get down to the beach since the snow was too deep a while back. There were snow drifts 4 and 5 feet high. I couldn't get back here if I wanted to. So I figured I'd come down here and spend the night down here. Busy day tomorrow, but just wanted to bring you guys down and show you just a regular evening for me. Just kind of relaxing. I'm going to watch a movie here in a minute. I had dinner already. I had a burger that was left over from the other day. And now I'm just listening to the rain on the roof. Got my Starlink on. Turned some lights on so of course you could see me. But just relaxing. It feels really good to have the van running again. That was pretty miserable for 10 days not being able to get around without borrowing Drew's car. But everything's running good. Set the timing yesterday. Thanks to Owen, he had a timing gun, or a timing light. I don't have one. So got my timing reset, and life is good. I got a new distributor again, a new coil again. I changed the plug wire, or the wire on the plug for the distributor, just in case. So it's all new again. Everything is new. Thanks for all the comments. Those of you commented on the last video with ideas and stuff like that. That really helped actually narrow it down pretty quick. Had a couple of you just tell me straight up it was probably the coil or the ECU. Luckily it wasn't the ECU because I don't have a spare, and I will be needing to get me one of those. Parts are hard to find like that up here in Alaska, so I'm gonna probably have to order one online and ship one up here so I've got a spare ECU. But yeah, I did want to just say thank you to everybody that commented, because that really did help. I got to go down some rabbit holes on the internet, but I did find a lot of really good, useful information. So thank you for all the comments. That did help. So I'm going to shut this off. I'm going to kick back. I'll probably pop some popcorn in a little bit and just watch a movie, listen to the rain. This is like the third time it's rained this year. So it's actually kind of nice. It's knocking the dust down a little bit. The downside is the mosquito hatch is going to be coming here pretty quick, and that's going to, the more water we have out in the tundra, it's going to be bad. But anyhow, I'll let you look one more time outside. Yeah, it's definitely been raining. It's supposed to rain pretty much all week, so luckily I've got a shop to work in now, so I'll be working inside. And I need to switch my tires over, take my studded tires off here pretty soon. I think I got another 10 days before I have to take them off, but I'm going to take them off. There's no reason to run around on them anymore. There's no snow on most of the roads, so, and I'm not up in the mountains right now, so no need for my snow tires. So I'll be swapping over to my summer tires here probably next day or two. Now we're back to the movie. Now we got some fresh popcorn. Kick back and finish watching my movie. It's still pouring rain outside.
Internet's down, cam's too.
Yeah, we have a problem.
Got the bed folded out. I'm gonna go ahead and finish watching the movie, and I'm gonna call it a night. So we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. I got me some visitors last night. I didn't even hear them pull in. That's kind of not like me. I was sleeping good though. It's nice to not be in town. That was my first outing since fixing the Vanagon, so pretty excited about that. I woke up listening to seagulls. Waves really were kind of died down over the course of the night, so I didn't hear them slapping on the beach all night, but yeah, good morning. I'm gonna get around here and start doing some stuff. There's a few blocks of ice still left. Not many. That sand is really soft. There's the old van. And I'm gonna head out of here. Got some people showed up earlier, and they're doing a little surf fishing for halibut. I'll fire up the old van here and get out of here. Feels good to be back out here. This has been much needed after all the breakdowns. So get ready, because here comes the adventures. We're just getting started.